Exercise 4.3. How to divide in decimal numbers. Find the quotient. First sum is 114.3 divided with 10. In multiply, when we multiply with 10, 100 or 1000, we shift 1 or 2 or 3 digit according to the zeros to the left side now. But in divide, we will do opposite. We have to divide with 10 now. 1 0 is given, so we shift 1 digit from the left side to the right. It means 11.43 is the answer. From the left side, I shift 1 digit to the right side. Like this, 826.5 divide with 100. Now 2 digits are there now, so we shift 2 digits. 8.265. This is the answer. If we have to divide with 1000, 3 zeros are given, so we shift 3 digits. 1.462. These 2 digits are firstly in the right side, it will remain same. This is our answer. Second sum is solve the following. Now we have given 14.8 divide with 2. 14.8 divide with 2. How we divide a decimal number with the whole number? Simply like 14.8 divide with 2. We know that 2 sevens are 14. 14 minus 14, 0. Now next is decimal. Now we shift this decimal to the quotient. After 7 we shifted it to the quotient. Now it will be removed. Now we will take 8. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 8, 0. It means our answer is 7.4. One more sum we will do. D part. 85.44 divide with 4. 85.44 divide with 4. 4 2s are 8. 5 come down. 4 1s are 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Now after 5, decimal is given now, so we shift this decimal to the quotient. Now 4 came down. 14. Now 4 3s are 12. 14 minus 12, 2. 4 came down. 24. 6 4s are 24. Our answer is 21.36. Third sum is divide the following decimal numbers. Now we have to divide decimal number with decimal. Decimal number with decimal. First sum is given 0.18 divide with 0.3. How we divide? Very easy method. Firstly, we will remove the decimal. How we will remove the decimal? I am going to remove it from 0.18 and divide it with 100. We will apply how many digits are given? 2 digits now. So with 1, 2 digits came. 18 by 100. Now decimal remove. In this you can see 0.3. Remove this decimal. We can write 10 because 1 digit is given after decimal. Now 18 by 100 divided with 3 by 10. We have done in integers, in rational numbers. 18 divided with 100. When we have to divide, we convert it into multiply and this will become reciprocal. 10 by 3. Now 0 cut with 0. 3 1s are 3. 3 6 are 18. 6 by 10. 0.6. Like this we remove this decimal and write 100 or 10 now. At the last you can see 10 is as denominator now. 1 0 is given, so we put decimal after 1 digit. 6 by 10 became 0.6. One more sum. 61.68 divided with 1.2. When we remove it, we became 100. It will be 10. 6168 divided with 100. 12 by 2. 6168 100 multiply, it will become reciprocal 10 by 12. When we solve, 0 cut with 0, and after solving you get answer. Cut it at the table of 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 0 8 4. After that 3 2s are 6, 1 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 15. 142 divided with 30. 10 multiply with 3, 30. When we divide this with 30, we get 15.4. Fourth sum. The weight of 15 bricks is 22.5 kg. Find the weight of one brick. We have given the weight of 15 bricks is equal to 22.5 kg. We have to find the weight of one brick. When we have to find from more to less, we divide. It means 22.5 divided with 15. 22.5 divided with 15. 15 ones are 15. 22 minus 15 7. We shift this point to the quotient 5. 15 5s are 75. It means 1.5 kg weight of one brick. Fifth sum. A ribbon 0.8 meter long is cut into two equal pieces. How long is each piece? Total length of the ribbon is 0.8 meter. It is cut into two equal parts. Now we have to find the two equal parts. We have to find the length of one part, that is equal to 0.8 divided with 2. When we divide 0.8 with 2, firstly 0 point shifted on the quotient. 4 2s are 8. We get 0.4 meter is the length of one